Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have updated your phone to the latest version like iOS 16 and your phone is starting to lag, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So there are four methods to solve this problem. Hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. So for the first method, what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it on from here, and then you have to tap on general. Again scroll it on, tap on shutdown from here, and then you have to press to the right side, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down, tap on general, again scroll it down, tap on iPhone storage, and from here make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So firstly you have to adjust your iPhone storage and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem like this there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down, tap on general, then you have to tap on background app refresh, and from here you have to turn off your background app refresh and then go back and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem suggests there, then what you need to do is just simply open setting, scroll it down, tap on general, again you have to tap on software update, and from here make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, then you have to update it and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem suggests that, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, then you have to scroll it on, tap on general again, scroll it on all the way, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all setting. So from here you have to reset your all setting. So tap on reset all setting to confirm the process. This will reset all setting, no data media will be deleted. After reset all setting, then you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.